Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube video as I promised. Now this video is for you if you are struggling to pass challenges, if you're struggling to grow your account, if you're struggling to flip your account, then this one is for you. Because the only thing I agree with ICT is that yeah, time has to come first and then only price. Okay, sometimes it's price and then time, sometimes it's time and then price. Kind of subjective, but it's 50-50. It's okay. The highest probability version of that sequence is that we are looking at time and then price. So today I'm going to show you how to actually master time-based trading. Okay, none of this bullshit that all these other idiots have online. Yeah, none of these 19 years, 20 years that have no background in finance. None of that. None of that. Okay, so let's take a look. Right, so as I said, this is made for you if you are struggling with passing your trading challenges. So let me simplify your trading with some simple time-based strategies. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Can also maybe show you a couple of examples as well, right? So the problems with time-based trading is this. So the main issue with time-based trading is that many 19-year-old gurus come up with times from their ass that don't work. It's true. It's true. You can say shit to me all you want, but it doesn't change the fact that this is the truth. Okay. So I'm here to show you differently in a true and consistent manner, in a very simple manner also. Now, learning this, the way I'm teaching it to you, will boost your profitability. Okay. So first of all, you have to understand that we have something called time groupings. Okay. In London, we have 3, 4, 5 hours, right? So 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and 5 to 6. In New York session, we have 9 to 10, 10 to 11, and 11 to 12. In the PM session, we have 12 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3 p.m. So these are the timings in which you will find the tops and bottoms, right? Most of the tops and bottoms intraday and also in the week will form most of the time during these time groupings. Okay, so it will help you catch daily and weekly highs and lows. So you basically any local top and bottom, if you match it correctly with any key level at the correct time of day with the proper profile, with the proper algorithms in place, you can definitely do something with it. So let me show you some with my algorithms in action later on in this video. So stay tuned to watch for that. All right. Now you have to check this out. Over here, you can see the yellow color candles and also the purple color ones. They are the time groupings. So over here we have the 3, 4, 5 hours, right? So we rally, hit a key level, and then we start selling off. And the 9, 10, 11 time grouping, we decline, hit a key level, IFPG, start buying. This is enough for a buy. But you would want to keep your take profit up over here. Okay. It is as simple as that. So as you go on backtesting this, yeah, I mean, you can even program this for yourself, the timings, right? That's not an issue. You can program that for yourself and you can check exactly how it forms. But I'm telling you, 80 to 90% of the time, price will form a local top or bottom inside of these time groupings. Now, I'll show you more examples on live charts towards the end. Okay. Now, the difference between my concepts and everyone else's is that mine can be measured in every single way. How do you know that? Sean, how do you know that? I'll show you. Let me take you to the live charts. Okay. I'll take you to the live charts just so that you can see what's going on, right? So this is my order flow algorithm. Yeah, this is my order flow algorithm, right? You can see yesterday for Bitcoin, we had bearish Bitcoin, down, 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 down. And then suddenly we started pumping. I got the buy, but Sean, it's bearish. Why do you want to catch the buy? Because of my algorithms. Yes, we did get the bearish order flow, but keep in mind, yesterday we had high impact news driver, consumer confidence, right? So we had a worse than expected, with the previous report being revised higher. So the gap between the current data and the previous data has widened. Therefore, the worse than expected is kind of amplified. Okay, that's why all of this. So there's your bearish order flow. Bullish one kicked in over here, and that's all. Okay, and that's all. But now, just to come to the point and just to show you exactly, what these timings can do for you, you can take a look. See, if I just remove all of this, if I activate the timings, you will see here's a high, here's a low, here's a low, here's a high, here's a low, high, low, high, high, low, low, high, high, low. So you can see that I am not bullshitting you with this. Okay, I am not bullshitting you with this. Now you can take the same idea, and now this is Bitcoin. So let's take a look at maybe gold. Okay, so gold yesterday, can you see how the low of the day formed inside of the yellow candles, inside of the time groupings? Yeah, inside of the time groupings. Low formed inside the time grouping. Low formed inside of the time grouping. High, low and high formed inside of the time grouping. It's insanely accurate. All you have to do is just backtest. I'm giving you the source. I've been giving you source for the last, I don't know, now it's 2024, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6 years. Oh my God, I've been giving you guys so much of source. Handful of you guys made it. The other handful, I don't know where you guys are, but from what I know, you guys are still hopping courses. Okay. Now, let me show you something interesting. Take out the timings, put in the price phase prediction algorithm, and you can see that this called the goal buys perfectly. But in order to actually understand the usage of the price phase prediction algorithm, you need to be able to understand my CRP continuation and CRP reversal, right? So for yesterday's price action, if you look at the 6 o'clock open, yeah. So let's go here, 6 o'clock, right there. Okay, put it in the opening price. Okay. What's our deadline? Our deadline for determining continuation or reversal is 3 o'clock. So until 3 o'clock, we can see that there were multiple pass-throughs. We passed and closed, passed and closed, passed and closed, passed and closed, passed and closed. So it's more than 3 times. Therefore, the CRP is a CRP reversal. So what we will do is we will take that output and we will use that as input in this price phase prediction algorithm. CRP reversal, click it, press OK. Okay. Then what we're getting is this Asian session accumulation, London session manipulation. So London session is what? 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So you know that, okay, fine. If we manipulate down, then we're going to have the low of the day here. AM plus PM session is distribution. So basically 7 o'clock all the way until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is a distribution. See that? Okay, so how did I catch the Bitcoin buys yesterday? So where I caught the Bitcoin buy was actually over here. I caught it right here. Okay, well, right here, full TP was here. I caught another buy right here, and that also hit full TP today. So in the Asian session, right? So also one right here as well. Yeah. So how did I actually catch this? Now, yes, you saw the order flow was bearish. That worked out. Okay, fine. But understand that the price phase prediction algorithm, it unlocks the, literally gives you the key, right, to the problem of narrative. Now you have narrative. You have context. What's the context? What's the narrative? Well, that's the algorithm. That's the price phase that you're looking at. So yesterday, on the 15-minute chart, take a look at the 6 o'clock open. There. What's your deadline? 3 o'clock. Here. Okay. How many times did price close through the open? 0.000000000 time. So what is this? It's a CRP continuation. Okay. So now we'll input CRP continuation. Right? Now what do we have? We have Asian session manipulation. That means this is the manipulation. London session distribution will distribute and price is kind of meandering around because there's high impact news driver. AM plus PM session is a continuation. Wow. So that means if our direction is up, then the continuation is also going to be up, which is how I took the buy. Okay. So that's all regarding my algorithm. If you are interested, you can definitely take a look at the suite of algorithms and you have to select senior quant trader. And in that senior quant trader, you will get access to all of my algorithms, not just some of it, you get access to all of it. And if you are a one-on-one student, By the way, I do have spots opening up for that for October. There are two spots open for one-on-one, so DM me if you're interested. You will also get access to an algorithm like this. Okay, so this algorithm, you can see it provides you true key levels that price will work off. There, 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 right? It'll give you true key levels that price will work off of based on the look back. So it's 1 day look back, 3 day look back, 7 day look back, right? So this is how a 3 day look back looks like. It's going to look a bit messy. Uh, Maybe it's not loading. Let me see this one. Yeah, so you can see here. It's kind of messy because it looks at 7 days behind and brings that forward. But as long as you're a one-on-one student, you know exactly how to use this. Okay. So all I'm promoting is algorithmic trading, high probability trading, mechanical trading to finally get you away from subjective bullshit. Okay. So I hope you understood, right? I really hope you understood. And if you do have any questions regarding time groupings, please be sure to either comment it down in the comment section below, and or you can send me a message on Telegram. Okay, you can definitely send me a message on Telegram. So if you are serious, try my algorithms and my mentorship, which will guide you where others fail. A lot of people fail in this industry, and I am on a mission to make sure that all of you succeed. Okay, you win, I win. So with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Good luck and good trading. Bye bye.